welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the step-by-step process on how to enable character voice in Character AI. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Character AI application on your device and make sure you are signed in. If you are not signed in, go ahead and sign in now. After logging in, tap on the Create button at the bottom center of your screen. You will then see the option for Character. Tap on that. The first step is to name your character. Enter a name in the text box. Your name can include first and last names. Once entered, tap on Next. Next, you will be asked to upload a photo for your profile. You can upload the photo now or keep it for later. Tap on Next. You will now be required to create a greeting. You can create your greeting or tap on the Generate It For Me button, and Character AI will generate the greeting for you. Once your greeting is ready, tap on Next. Now, select the visibility. You can choose to keep it public, unlisted, or private, depending on your preference. Next, choose if you want a remixable account or a protected account. If you choose remixable, others can view the definition and use it as a template for their own characters. Once done, tap on Next. If you want, you can enable image generation for your character by tapping on the image generation checkbox. You can also add subtitles, a description, and character definition. Now, here's the important part. To give your AI chatbot a voice, you need to tap on this Select Voice section. It will open a list of voices from which you can choose from. Simply select one that you like. Once done, tap on the Create button and your character will be created. And that is it. Your Character AI will now have a voice. Click on this small play button to hear it.
Hello, guys. I'm fine. How about you?
Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.